Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best dog sweaters that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Baja Ponchos handmade dog sweater. Baja ponchos have also earned themselves a spot on our list, with this unique dog coat. The poncho-style design, made from an authentic Mexican blanket, offers dogs a coat that's genuinely one of a kind. Each handmade coat is made from a serape blanket, created in Tlaxcala, Mexico. Thanks to a simple set of Velcro straps, they're easy to put on and take off your pooch in a hurry. Thanks to a built-in harness loop, it's simple to attach your dog's leash, even if their collar is covered up. Because the poncho can be wrapped so snugly around your pooch, it also doubles up as a thunder jacket, helping to ease anxiety. This makes it a great option for stormy nights, fireworks, or any situation that might put your dog on edge. Lined with waterproof polyester, it also helps to protect your dog from the discomfort of rain and snow. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the dog sweater by Blueberry Pet. For a more traditional design, look no further than these adorable small dog sweaters by Blueberry Pet. Available in 5 different sizes and 15 different colors, it's the perfect fit for any dog, and any occasion. Featuring an attractive knit design, the sweater is subtle, yet detailed. Each sweater is carefully made from durable acrylic yarn, known for its ideal balance of softness and durability. It's waterproof too, making it the ideal choice for wet or snowy walks in the winter time. The sweater is simple to put on your dog, simply pull it over their head and place their front legs through the sleeves. Thanks to the jumper's open back design, it's easy for dogs to move around and use the bathroom without having to take it off. The handy sweater is machine washable and dryer safe, making it easy to care for when not in use. At number 3, we have the Blueberry Pet Vintage Dog Sweater. If you and your dog are sucker for vintage designs, this Fair Isle jumper could be the perfect fit. Available in 3 different patterns, discerning pooches are sure to find a version they love. The cozy sweater is available in 5 different sizes, too, for a great fit no matter the breed or age. Each sweater is made using 100% acrylic fabric, for simple care, and great durability. Acrylic fabric is soft, waterproof, and safe for the washing machine and dryer. All this adds up to a long-lasting and versatile sweater for your 4-legged friend. Meanwhile, its classic turtleneck design not only looks great, it also helps to maximize coziness, by covering more of your dog. Thanks to flexible arm holes and an open back design, dogs can easily walk, run, jump, and use the bathroom, all without removing the sweater. Featuring a leash or harness hole, the jumper is easily compatible with whatever collar or harness you usually place on your dog, just pop it on underneath the sweater. At number 2, we have the Stinky G Aqua Blue Dog Pet Sweater. Their band name might not inspire confidence, but these cute dog sweaters by Stinky G are anything but stinky. Available in 5 petite sizes, each sweater is a great choice for puppies and smaller breeds. The adorable sweater can be had in 2 fun shades, pink, and aqua, lending a splash of color to any small dog. Made from cozy and machine washable polyester, the handy sweater can stand up to everyday wear and tear with ease, protecting your pooch from the worst of the winter elements. Thanks to a simple pull-over design, the sweater is simple to take on and off. This makes going for walks much easier, since there's no need to fumble with complicated straps as your dog impatiently waits for their exercise. For easier walks, the sweater also features a leash hole on its back, allowing your pooch to wear their regular collar or harness underneath. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gooby Stretch Fleece Dog Sweater. Earning their 2nd spot on our list is Gooby, with their cozy stretch fleece. Available in sizes up to 6XL, this cozy fleece goes to show that jackets aren't just for petite pooches. The fleece can also be had in 15 different colors, sure to match any taste. Unlike many dog fleeces on the market, Goobies offers excellent stretch, making for a snug and comfortable fit no matter the size of your dog. Thanks to its pull-over design, putting it on and taking it off your pooch is easy, and there's no need for complex buckles or straps. Once in place, the soft and cozy design can be worn all day. The flexible fabric ensures your four-legged friend has a great range of movement, while the open back design ensures they can comfortably use the bathroom. Should the coat become dirty, it's easy to clean, being machine washable and dryer safe. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.